MDaemon administrators can check the status of the MDaemon server from just about anywhere by simply sending an email. This provides a convenient way to check email traffic statistics and whether there are currently any email messages in the mail queues. From any email client, simply compose an email message and address it to the MDaemon system account for your domain. Then in the subject line, simply put the word status, and then send your message. You will receive an email with Mail Statistics Summary in the message subject as shown here. This email will contain POP and IMAP traffic statistics over the past several days, inbound and outbound SMTP session statistics, spam statistics, IP and host screening statistics, antivirus statistics, and various other statistics as shown here. It also shows you how many messages are currently sitting in the various mail queues. For example, as you can see here, I have one message sitting in my bad queue. It shows the date and time of the last successful connection, as well as the amount of free disk space on the mail server.